Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian markets were mostly high on Wednesday, with the Nikkei in Japan briefly breaching the 11,500 mark for the first time since September 2008, while Australia touched a fresh multi-year high as the local earnings season continued. Overnight cues were broadly positive for Asia, helping stocks start the session on an upbeat note. Wall Street started trading again on Tuesday after a three-day weekend, while in Europe sentiment was held by the German ZEW survey economic expectations index coming out well above forecasts, rising to the highest level since April 2010. Stocks in Japan managed to rise despite the firmness in the yen, with the Nikkei up 0.7%. The main data point in Asia on Wednesday was Japan's trade balance, which was released early in the session, showing that the country hit a record monthly deficit of about 1.6 trillion yen in January, wider than the 1.3 trillion deficit expected by economists polled by economic surveys. There was, however, a bright spot in that exports showed their first increase in 8 months. The yen was a tad firmer against the US dollar and was recently at 93.47 yen, compared with 93.57 late Tuesday in New York. Positive news from Germany helped the prospects of the euro, which rallied as a result. Touching highs of 1.3394 against its US counterpart, the euro opened stronger this morning, close to this level at 1.3388. A busy day of news and data awaits, including the release of minutes from the Bank of England and the Federal Reserve's FOMC. Germany also updates consumer price inflation today. We'll be keeping a close eye on 3 other numbers as well: the business climate indicator for France, the UK labour market report, and US housing starts for January. US housing starts 13:30 GMT. Home building had a good run last year, but the positive momentum is expected to take a break in today's January update. The market's looking for a roughly 4% rise in the new starts last month versus December's storied 12% gain. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.